Steaks in an air fryer are not just possible, they're absolutely delicious. Today I'm cooking sizzling steak in the air fryer. First, we're going to take it out of the fridge and let it set for 30 minutes before cooking. We want to bring it to room temperature. First, we want to pat our steak dry on both sides. This is top sirloin steak. Each one of these weighs about 3/4 of a pound, and they're just over 1 inch thick. Now we'll coat each side with olive oil. The olive oil will keep our seasonings on and keep our steaks from sticking to the air fryer. All right, beautiful. Now we're just going to add some salt and pepper as our seasonings. Here's our salt. Some nice fresh ground pepper. Simple but delicious. And now we'll take a spoon just to pat that in a bit. And we'll flip it over and get the other side. Okay, we've got both sides seasoned. We're going to go to our next step. Okay, our air fryer is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to go ahead and place our steaks in the air fryer. Oh, there's that sizzle. We like that. Here's the other. Man, they barely fit. And we're going to place these back in the air fryer, now we're going to place these in the air fryer. And we're going to let them cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. These have cooked for 6 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We need to flip them over. And yes, I did wash my tongs first. Pop that back in. I like my steak cooked about medium. I'll cook these another 6 minutes and then we'll check our internal temperature. These have cooked another 6 minutes. Let's see where we're at on our temperature. Get the camera in the right place. Here's a handy guide. If you like your steak rare, cook it to 125 degrees Fahrenheit plus a 3-minute rest, all the way up to well done at 160 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, we're at 145 degrees Fahrenheit. That is a medium done steak. We're gonna add a little pat of butter. And I'm also going to sprinkle on some garlic powder. I'm going to let those sit in the air fryer off for 5 minutes and let that butter melt right into the steak. Don't these look amazing? Let's pull them out. All right, let's try this out. Here goes. That's really delicious. You gotta try this. Remember to subscribe. We'll see you next time. Remember to subscribe. Remember to subscribe. We'll see you next time.